Daily dose of internet. This person walked into their room and found their cat stuck between two curtains. This is probably the fastest jump roper you've ever seen.
Let's go.
10. This French TV reporter was doing a news story when she got taken out by a giant wave.
You okay, boy?
An artist created their own concept of what social media might have been like in the 1990s. This guy put on a sumo costume and started doing flips just to see what would happen. Here's a helpful guide that explains all the different types of coffee. There's a squirrel that comes around my parents' house and knocks on all the windows until I eventually give in and feed it. You want some food? You want some food? That's in this video. Hopefully I made your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.